We're currently looking for what, Sophie? A Christmas tree. The yard belongs to my husband's family, so the last several years we've been coming here to chop down a tree for Christmas. So let's see what we can find. A lot of trees here that'll be good in a few years. That one's way too sparse. This is our first year as a family of 4 going to look for our Christmas tree. Yeah, baby came.
Remember last Christmas? And we had a tree and it fell down.
Yes, it did. How tall was that tree? Like 12 feet? We haven't gotten a lot of snow yet, as you can see. Kind of unusual for us here. There's all the old junk I was showing you guys at harvest time. Falling down. The goal this year, other than getting a nice tree, is also that nobody cries. Certain someone cries every year we get a Christmas tree. This tradition. It's not Christmas without this situation. Okay, time to walk past the abandoned apocalyptic house. How do I get in there? I'm stuck. I feel like this is like Narnia when the palace all grew over.
Yeah, it's kind of messy, isn't it?
Definitely not going in there.
Nails pointing up right by Sophie's foot.
That look nice. Just a little fixer-upper, that's all. No, we're not going in there.
Go to the other side.
I want to go in there.
Sophie, the floor might break. The countryside is littered with old houses like this that just will move on. No one moves in and the house just falls apart. 6-foot-tall pregnant lady trying to walk through the trees. Whew, okay, I made it. Ain't she a beaut?
Sophie, what about this one? Put this in our house?
Too big.
Oop. Sophie and I have our matching hats. They were actually made in Canada too. It's the thing about living on the prairies. You got so much sky. Okay, I think we've settled on this tree. Bruce is gonna clean it out a bit. I'm trying to tell him to wear eye protection because I work on an eye surgery ward. You'll never believe the crazy things that happen to people's eyes. You smile? Here we go. Okay, let's watch. The suspense is killing me. There she goes. I can smell it. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yummy.
Yeah.
Getting over COVID, so it's a good sign if you can smell it. I have a Christmas tree and she's more happy about finding a stick. Sophie's like me. We like being outside, but we don't like it to be too much of a struggle. Little doses of nature. Good thing my strong hubby can carry this big tree in the house.
Yeah, because this house is a mess. Look at that.
Ooh, nice. Nice spot. We bought this little star that was handmade in Mexico when we were in San Diego. Give me a smile. It's so tall. And this was her Kleenex that she added because every Christmas tree needs a Kleenex on it.